Give some, take some, fix it up and then break some. Gotta open up, you gotta share, build it up and nothing's there. 난 삐그덕 걸음걸이 고장나버린 듯이 walk Don't care about a thing 난 내 기분대로 walk 걸음걸이 고장난 듯이 삐그덕 누가 봐도 나처럼 난 거치 on the beat 박자에 맞게 미끄러져 걸음이 좌우로 흔들리지 난 메트로놈의 침늘 여유롭지 원래 내 일이죠 눈길을 끄지 내가 손에 쏟아지는 날
So, the greatest fixture on the footballing calendar? Maybe it is El Gran Clasico, no less.
A very warm welcome to all of you from the Camp Nou, decorated in the colours of Barcelona.
Well, thanks, Peter. There's a great sense of anticipation in this stadium, and I've been hit by it too.
And here we have Barcelona
against Real Madrid.
And now the lineups for the game.
Real Madrid, quite rightly considered to be one of the best clubs of the 20th century, having won Europe's premier club competition more than any other team.
Yeah, and since they were founded in 1902, they've always played at the very highest level of Spanish football.
I mean, for you, would they be the ultimate club team to play for?
Absolutely. I think they're right up there in world terms, and they've had so many superstars over the years. They'd be the club for me.
Well, we're on the way. Alejandro Balde. Dani Olmo. Hit into the middle. Disappointing finish in the end.
Well, I think the early signs have been very good for them. They've already got that defence unsettled, and now they've got to back it up.
Alejandro Balde. Rafinha. No, he wasn't going to let him past. Chouameni. This is promising. Shot could be on. No, that's been intercepted. Here it is now, surely. It's a good spell of possession, this. De Jong. Valverde. Almost an hour gone. He's given away a free kick.
Real Madrid with a set piece.
Well, it's a bit far out, but you never know. He might just make something of this.
There's the ball in. Oh, it's come to him. Has a hit. Really well taken goal. 1-0. He was so alert to the possibilities there. Great stuff.
Oh, it's a terrible mix-up at the back, but it's great awareness to punish them for it.
Draw first blood here.
Well, that lifts some of the pressure, but they need to maintain their work rate. It's been very good up to now.
Pedri.
And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside.
Ah, that was just fractionally offside.
Jules Koundé.
Half-time approaching.
Chouameni.
Hit into the middle, and he's there to clear it.
And Robbie Keane.
Lamine Yamal. And that'll be the last act of the first half.
Well, yes, we've only got the one goal, but it's the managers who can now make the real difference in this second half.
Leading 1-0 at the break.
So we're underway in the second half. The deficit still very much there
Barcelona
against Real Madrid.
Dani Carvajal. Pedri. Dani Olmo.
Ball driven towards the far post. Oh, just needed a better contact.
And that was lovely wing play. There's nothing wrong with the supply, but the finish was sadly lacking.
They're going to make a substitution.
Well, the manager's made the change, but he knows he really should have done a lot better here today.
Brings it forward.
Vinicius Junior.
The ball played forward.
Towering header!
He just couldn't connect with it properly.
Yeah, I thought he did brilliantly to receive the ball, which came from a little deeper, but he just couldn't get the same level of control on the finish.
Goes steaming forward.
Vinicius Junior.
Another save.
Oh, that's a stunning save. I mean, his reflexes were incredible then. That's as good a save as you'll see.
Dani Olmo.
Bout of passing here, really easy on the eye. Oh, he couldn't quite make it.
Guided clear.
Closing in on the last quarter of an hour.
Alejandro Balde. Pedri.
It's got through to him.
Well, I think it's that time when you have to commit numbers forward in hope of grabbing an equaliser. I mean, defenders need to take that risk too now.
Goes on an adventurous run. They've chosen to bring on the last of their substitutes.
You know, he's put in such a decent shift, and he looks as if he's run himself into the ground.
Here's the ball in.
Jude Bellingham.
Could move up a gear here.
Rafinha.
Into the channel. Mbappe! And that is it. The referee has seen enough.
To lose to a solitary goal is so galling.
Well, once they went behind, I just wonder whether the manager can be pleased with himself. I thought he could have done a little bit more to get them back on level terms.
So before we go, many thanks to Jim Beglin for his input, and from us both, good afternoon.
I'll make you feel like magic. Make you feel like something's in your